Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw software. And in today's video, I will show you on how to create a new document for social media template design in CorelDraw. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here where you have file. Click on that and proceed to new right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and first make sure you navigate to the top right here. Click on all pages size. Then here, what you want to do right here is to go ahead and select social media right here. When you click on social, then it's going to display some of the templates right here. Here you have Facebook cover, you have Facebook post, you have Facebook ads, you have Facebook ads and Instagram post or what have you. So from the options right here, you can go ahead and choose any of the templates you want to create. Let's, for instance, you want to create Instagram post template and you do not have an idea of how the site is going to be. So what you want to do is to go ahead and select the Instagram post right here. So when you select Instagram post, automatically you are going to have the setting right here, both the color of layout, the size of the layout, the pixel, and the like. So what you want to do next is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and enter the name of your template. So we can go ahead and call this one template for Instagram. Okay, once you name your template, that is the name of your design, then go ahead and come down right here. You can decide to increase the resolution to about 300 and you are going to have higher resolution of graphics template eventually when you export your design. So always put it in 300 dp. Once you are done with everything right here, go ahead and come down below right here and hit on OK. So here you go. You have the exact size of Instagram post template right here. You can create as many as possible social media template documents in CorelDraw workspace, just like so. So with that, you can start and design whatever you want to design based on your layout right here. For more tutorial tips and tricks about CorelDraw templates and CorelDraw tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.